Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In today's guide, we are going to show you how to delete your TikTok account permanently. If you have decided to say goodbye to TikTok for any reason, we will walk you through the steps to do it. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Among the options, choose Account. You will see an option of Deactivate or Delete Account. Tap on it. So there it says you have two options. Either you deactivate your account temporarily or delete your account permanently. So delete account permanently. TikTok will provide information about what happens when you delete your account. Read through it and when you are ready, tap Continue. Here you have an option to download your TikTok data. If you want a copy of your data, you can request a download. Finally, tap Continue to confirm the account deletion. TikTok will ask you for the confirmation one last time. Hit that Continue button and that's it. Your account will be permanently deleted. This action is irreversible, so be absolutely sure before proceeding. Keep in mind that it may take a few days for your account to be completely removed from TikTok's servers. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.